Welcome, welcome. Ma Florence, welcome, welcome. Happy New Year, wherever you are. Ma hit some bottle dance before we start the show. Thanks for locking. Welcome, you hit the share button. I'll find some bottle dance here before we go.
Let's
see. Like that. Welcome, you hit the share button. Happy New Year, wherever you do. You don't come again with 2021. Moving forward, I think say that the year this way, we get to end the show. Just invite friends for this powerful show today. Come on, you hit the share button. Oh, Chingman, 21 gun salute. Revolutionary greeting, brother. Happy New Year. And I wish all man with this platform in the watch now Happy New Year and prosperous one. As we manage your food, and so the food is strong. Any time where we take money for sponsor the struggle, God the Adam. God the Adam. The year and a year where no ever regrets. The year and a year where all coronavirus die. The year and a year where ambassadors get their independence. Oh, the handwriting will be written on the wall. We don't see it all. We just learn me and you. A strong message for our restoration fight and we're done. Job. Invite friends. Okay. That one, we end up that one because we get plenty things to talk. Maybe music will take our time. Because I think say the show, I'm going to start the show at 6 p.m. but we don't see a program where I think our senior comrades, Chris Anu and the others, they will get a presentation for Mimi for I think 6. So we didn't need to say we start for 5:30 so that within that time we two will meet up with their own time. Fellow Ambazonians, fellow citizens of the revolution, once more, una good evening and happy new year wherever una dey in the kingdom of Belgium. Yeah, now already evening and ground zero. We happen to forget the same time with ground zero. So I think say the ground zero, the same time they call it for here, and the same time we ground zero you get them. I hope say all my fans will enjoy the new year. For fine way, when I enjoy the new year, I see videos, I don't see all kind of videos, and you get to thank God for give you the life for see another a year, because some people in the way when they talk so they dey for mortuary. Yeah, some people in the way when they talk so they dey for mortuary, and we get to be very happy because we be a privilege among the livings. Only the fact say you live. You give a thank God because some people in the way, so one the day where they die for that same day where we celebrate, and we go get videos where we see our own civilians, why some people they celebrate, some people they mourn that same day on the 21st. So we give a thank God first for giving you the life for see another breaking 21. Okay, now we go to the show proper. Now, first for the show, before we want come with the breaking news, what way it take place in America, where you consent Ambazonian, where the Senate for America, then we will first start for talk about what way it take place after our president's speech, who leaked the speech, how it come about, and then we give a way forward. Then we talk about the LGS chairs and the counties. The game will be activated because the money already there is in the coffers. We give for the year action for ground zero, and we go give measures where it will be a very drastic measures. Some people don't like them, but as far as we like the revolution, you will like the measures where activism they want decide for take up. As far as this LGS and the world draft, it be we get measures away with the thing for propose for come out with. If we know the year action go down, the chair people they will be accountable for, and we get what we will tell the restoration fighters be they do, so that if any man thinks if he embezzle the money, he go get a pay. Now we go for Paul Biya his speech where he make am. We go see what way he talk about the speech for Paul Biya his speech for see if we win the war or we need to win. Yeah, because we get to follow some of to say Paul Biya his speech get to do it with the ambassador. He get to do a lot. Paul Biya his speech get a lot to play as far as the revolution be concerned. We go see for his strength whether they win or win and who they win. We go follow up. We see what way he talk for his speech as far as the struggle for Southern Cameroon and Bazonia be concerned. Then I think we go talk for yes. Paul Biya speech, yes. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I think say in that light, we go start the show proper. Once more again, una happy Sunday for wherever una dey. I know say the week, it don't be a very busy week for all man. Because for celebrate Xmas, enter New Year, it's not easy, and some people starting now where they don't consume some more alcohol, body don't broke now. You know say tomorrow you get to start work, so you calculate how you go start work. So we go in the light. Who leaked the president his speech? We get information because when our president his speech be finished, because I for one that day on breaking New Year, I I don't be go no site. I be there only inside house. I dey follow only Ambazonian. I no go drink, I no go no site. I start sleep around 3 a.m. But when president speech, he be make his speech finish. And there was some group, some person can write. He said, be very shocking. Say our president speech leak. I said, what? He said, yeah. He said, he just screw your phone. You know that way, if you screw your phone, you don't see events, you don't pass. I said, me sure, me say no, you know, if they friend with the editor, all this. I start investigate. Start the dig, go for people that pay, go people that they follow it, go. Now I got discover what to be talk because I want to get the reality, what not true because me no just hear news and then you carry a Facebook, start cry, start talk, you know what, investigate for not even a true. When I be go discover them, the first place where I go, people will testify. I may be the first man to blow the alarm. Say president speech leak. For Amba peace plan. I go blow alarm for day. For night for around that kind 12 p.m. 12 noon. No that yes, 12 in the morning. Where I blow alarm say president speech just it don't leak. Now our call for concern not be say who hold the speech do not it don't really for people call names. But our call for concern, who lead the speech? Because if you know we keep speech, that means say classified information, that means say the internet government not be secured. If the internet government not be keep that kind of thing, because when we see how President Biya his speech be failed, it be leaked now because say na failed state. Then if we still come, then we take till we belong to the government, the inner core. And I get information saying two persons, Oben and Texter, when I call Texter. Texter, he came live yesterday, and every time of declare for you say, ye no be that he give you that information. It shows that only them two, they might work with the IT department, Oben. Oben gave to come outside. Because see, it don't be a time where we know the pamper people with the revolution. The revolution, not that time this again where we call people say join the revolution. That time don't pass where you go back people, where with the back people, where you go for some place, you try to confuse person, say, me see the need way if we join this struggle. That time don't pass. That time don't pass. We go, we win, we already win the war. So we don't need any distractors. Any married thing say in position where he get them, and then you will use a position for draw one step, one foot the back. You leave the position. And you talk for Mr. Oben, me can clarify how that information come outside before I dig note. Because as Texas came yesterday, he talk, because I don't hear, he come for life. He don't can talk, explain everything for Ambassador how it happened. You too, you get to come, you can't tell Ambassador people how that speech it don't leak. Because what problem here, not because the speech leak. Yes, the speech now speech we get now for public consumption. Not na high classified information. Yes, not be a classified information. It be a speech for public consumption. But now, if you not keep this thing secret, they will give this time for the time when people need them. That means they'll get a problem. Now, Oben, because sometimes they were some people be attack ABC crew. Say the women, the ABC TV, they do this. They go until the case again will step down. Saying I leak secret for their secret meeting where they get them. Now who leak this one now? Because if they be identified that time like a canker worm inside the communication department, they don't go. Who leak the stuff now? So Ambassador people, we get to be very careful and very vigilant when you come to this internet government. I want to tell you something. People in the inside internet government where they give draft, pay 100, pay 1,000 but they no die to the ideology of the internet government. They then expire for destroy the internet government. People in the day will call names, will call names, you no go believe. Say these very people now you, they will ask a child now you, and when they go on and say, time they will expose all these people, time they will expose them. Not just live on a matter of time, because time they will expose them. The people the way they think say that they gonna leak information, that people will come back for can work with the internet government, and that very people will tell internet government say that this man be do so, and this man be do so. We now give that information at the gap. The internet government are government for all man. We now don't think say internet government as my papa a personal property. Now government for all my way. And that very people that they criticize the internet government, they will come from time they love the internet government, will come work with internet government. The internet government are government for all man. They will embrace for take them, and now they will tell you. They will tell when I say that this man be do this, no trust this man, no trust this man, that this man be do this. So Mr. Oben, you work for IT. Now when I take the role because the video where we see him, our president see the role, it no be, you know what, they no want to go to studio. Now only when I two, you get access to that video, and when I give account, when I give clear the air. When I give clear the space, who leak that audio, text I don't talk, you can outside publicly, can't tell ambassador people who leak that audio, that video. Now, what you will give on say, we fit talk say na Oben. Yeah. Oben say yeah. Even I do am, you know come after all. Now he work for IT department for communication. If the movie after all they not get another man, or if the movie it hold vital information, damn shit. Now so I want to tell Ambassador people say there's nothing for this revolution again like vital information, because nothing in that way is the kill we. Nothing in that way is kill the internet government. When they think say some people inside the internet government where they be super, where if you move them, you don't shake the internet government. Or if you move them, they go outside or criticize the internet government, it will be a sham. Now lie. We don't get to work that way. Any man be equal, and any man get his own idea. Where you go, another man will come in. Because when we start get that bad mentality when the Republic get to say, if you pop there no day, who will rule? Now that mentality that way, some cabal for internet government think say when they move this man, the man don't overdo this. When they move this man, who will take that position? People today, we need to talk about 8 million people here. We need to talk about 100 people. We need to talk about 8 million people. Anybody will move and people in there they will do the voluntary service, and they do it very well. They do it very well. In that same light, go for now the same thing that will happen for this LGH children. So when they say this man don't stay for defense, when you don't go to defense school, you don't stay for defense, you don't be used to that boy there. If you're moving now, so if the man die now, if the man to die now, we need premium man die. If the man die, that's in the defense to end. If the man die, the defense end. So the internet government will sit up our presidency. Our president will look very well into the mirror. Then now, it look 2020. They went forward for 2021. And we don't propose, people don't propose, so yes, say the defense department for internet government is shake. And I hope say, as the activists they cry, not only the activists, other LGHS county they cry, the president they take a precaution. They take note for all those cries where people they cry. The defense department for internet government is not working anything. So I think say the time this of 2020, they should don't. They say you need to work. They appoint different people. They get the work. When I don't take police, friendship not there during war. During war, friendship not there. During war, friendship not there. Man tell you now. When I see I used to criticize Sikot. When they organize the first more money. Where this thing will start county by county, the first county by county just start. The first money we organize them county by county. More for Belgium. Now we as the there, we do everything up and down, up and down. But wait, I no die for ideology because it don't take a wrong side. Mark Barata, you know my man. Mark Barata, you don't come visit me 2 times for Louvain for year. But now so me I need to communicate again. I don't ever write it again because wait, he take his own side. When me I no die for the side. So no man no dey for this revolution when I have friend. So not take friendship. If you want to take friendship, but put on your family business. For your papa, your property, with your business. That one consider now. But we come for this revolution. No friendship, no day. No man no day where you put on the say now because this man, sometimes this man can now overtake money with this resource mobilization. If you man no day, now you don't stand for you take money for Ambazonian. If you know day, that a lie, a lie. Now bad governance that. Now bad governance that way. If you start get that, if some people start get some mentality, say if this man no day or this man no do good job. If a man do good job, you give him a medal. Tell him really do. Not take that good job if you don't do and then you shatter everything. Yeah, tell the people they do something. They be motivated. As I go, you see weakness, you shift it. As I take it for man. Not think I say because you don't do good, then if you start do the wash back, you want to kill the revolution, you don't care or no, but you don't say no, this man don't be a tight friend, this man don't do good. Like always he can talk say Mark Barata don't be a tight friend, if he betray Mark Barata because na best friend. You see say he don't take na the revolution, he take na friendship, bring her in. So we have to stop. We have to stop that mentality. We have to stop that mentality. You will belong to the interior government, belong to the interior government. Siam, I want to tell you something there. You will even go. You go take Seseko speech. You can't give me. You can't give me Namadua. When Seseko he own government, he work. He get a government. ADF get that government. Then when Ayabacho you want to prepare his speech, you carry and can't give me Madua. Now how he benefit the revolution now? Yeah, because you keep talking to you first fact too. You will carry the this go get Eric Tato. Eric Tato can broadcast for life. Then now the way forward now waiting now. Now how he benefit Ambassador now? You know, fight probably his speech where if you literally so that you will give witness of the country. Because if you don't keep secret, it means in a fair state. Now that's in that way we supposed to fight now. You can't fight me and the fight for Goboya. You do the fight for Goboya. But if you fight a different road, you don't take the road where you come on sometimes you come on a Manfe, you enter Kumba. Me I don't take the road where I come on Douala, you enter Boya. They you now you want kill me for saying that only your own road must succeed. Why? Why, my brothers and sisters? Why? You see now why that way ADF and these people when they work now watch their live shows, they don't get no tutti. Now for castigate the interior government do this, thief do this one the interior government, and then they form small group there. They say they be neutral. Their neutrality, you didn't know that neutrality. Now their neutrality, I say they talk only about the interior government. Why? We not any Ambassador revolution, no we not get state budget. Where it's in a national cake. Ambassador revolution, people they follow side way they believe in. So if you not convince people, you follow your own ideology. Then leave the other people. Preach your own preaching. Try to draw your own member. No kind of say, you are kill that other man way. The people they fight, people they follow you. You know you walk that way. Now 2020 this. Now 2020 this. We get for adjust our footstep then. There is this one take me now to the LGH chair. Before I go to the LGH here, I just joined this one. We don't see the videos where come up for Bali, where our restoration force, the whole ADF, they release them with their weapons. Then that video go viral. People they say, whoa, all man cry, why they release them, why them? Yeah, they're correct. Any my opinion correct. Or any my opinion correct. For me, for one. I don't believe them. For me, for one, for war, they need to play politics during war. They don't catch and release. You need to catch your enemy release and during war. During war, you need to hold your enemies. Release them. When I don't see some shocking video where you come out where like probably also our fighters with the our materials they close them. Thank God say don't take material with the close them. When I see the way they molest you, when I see the way the enemy they treat the other enemy, and then we go catch and release. And I want to tell the restoration forces of Bali say, we be very careful because when I don't watch the audio way come out from the Moamo chairman, you know, elaborate a lot of things them where when I follow that audio. As a moment where when I do any act, that way when I bring a unity, when I go throw all that when I phone them, then if I take the go when I come, when I change the camps immediately, it will immediate effect. And the Bali LGS, I know say when I do that one in solidarity of this year, let the sleeping dog lie. We just say let the sleeping dog lie. But now when I get for the Bali LGS and the people they be in charge, when I get to tell the fighter because that fighter the one they will down the stubborn. Yes, when I see the fighter, so one they die now because say na they cause am. When I get to do it, when I get to tell them to throw other phones, when I buy new phones give them, the money will drop there. When I buy new phones give them. Any phone they be use that they will communicate or be there around that place as the Mogamo LGA chairs. It don't talk. When I do and so. When I do and so. Then we go for this LGA chair them. They way forward. Fellow Ambazonians, fellow citizens. The LGA chairs them. When they don't activate war draft, very soon we'll start hold they accountable for. I mean the top LGA chair and the securities. And now, one thing the way again will go factual. Any LGA chair and county coordinator, we get to see all the images outside. They get to be a fighter. We know one year that also fighting behind. We get potential donor them whether they contribute behind. But when you want a post of responsibility for the revolution, you will show your face. Because we embase you. Now how would you know you? When you embase you, they say that chairman now, if you come to Zoom meeting, you need to show your face. You come with this, you need to show your face. The only hear a name, I will never identify what the name will give you in a correct name. So all the LGA chair people, we get all their images. There are photos. If you don't come live, we know so we hold their photos so that when tomorrow you embezzle with the first people for can show your picture for outside, then we tell your family back home. Say if you don't give that money for fighters, they go property. And all Ambazonian people go see her. They know say this man now you don't embezzle this money for this LGA. Now you don't embezzle money for Ngokutinja LGA. Now you don't embezzle money for Bafut LGA. We know say now you. When you don't show your face, you get a question mark. Any LGA chair from today we go start. All them, we get to get their pictures and we get to know them well, know them. Time don't come see, we're not going to take jokes. Keep up. The other LGA chair, they will see them live on Facebook. They are very active. Any man with the first show, the face to the revolution first give you 40% credit. Any man will first show a face like a fighter. Then the people they show back when they want to embezzle, when you not show their face, they get to start show all their faces. If you want to fight for freedom, you sacrifice or die for freedom. If you want to be a potential donor, you stay back, you contribute fine. No man no will show your identity for outside. No man. But outside this, you start to take a post of responsibility, we have to know you. That one be facts. We have to know you very well. So that tomorrow, because we know here now they say world draft. They will start calling Dr. Sako E1. Start calling E1. My trip to Boya. People they embarrassing my trip to Boya. They don't show on top. We will not ever know them. Tamayang, they say all they show will know their faces. But this time for world draft, we know whatever. And any restoration fighters, where you do any LGA, where your chairman did the act, right we inbox we, all the money will be here. Because during draft, all will be here on the amount. All will be here the amount. Even though you don't enter all, but at least he enter. So that if you don't hear action, you ask the chairman, he makes some way, inbox we. We don't follow all them. We will attack them directly. And if they want form, we will move their names, everything, we send them aside. Then we tell them, we will investigate our property them. We will investigate our property them. Tell you now. If they think say, so one of you embrace it, don't embrace blood money. No one day. No one day. So our restoration fighters now the year. Now money, he did for LGA. He did at the level of LGA. He not there at the level of government. He don't enter for their pocket. So he did inside they bang them. So we no go clown this time around. We no go tolerate any man, and even the internet government, we no go tolerate any bullshit. We no go tolerate any bullshit. Now we go to the breaking news for America. Yes, we don't see how social media social media work in our favor. We don't see how the UN senators, they don't come to coalition. They don't come together. The Republican and the Democrats, they don't come and say enough is enough. They push La Republic to the war. If we go for dialogue, they push La Republic to the war. And the breaking news that we Ambassador now for the jubilate, and we know say we did in the success, we did in the victory. See, I want to tell this La Republic people the way they hold social media here, so when they talk, they say they see doubt international body. Una be doubt international body, but they will act. No fight, no war, no day way they don't ever fight because we define a war. When two countries fight, now international mediation they come in. When countries fight in their internal policy, for bad governance, it be very difficult. When it come to here, Port Biasa fight, it be very difficult for divider fight. But when two countries fight, very easy because we get una boundary, demarcated boundary, una get this. So it be very easy for international community for come for mediate among us because they don't say we get a genuine case. We get demarcated boundary, we get everything, we get the right. Now, why that way you talk, you see, they say the swift mediation. They don't say the swift, they say they mediate because they will mediate among we sit down for table. But when the cash come to, they say release come to do that thing. Now, why that way, that one, na politics for the country concerned them. But this one, international body, they will come. And probably I will give gold. The gold don't get will finish no. Money don't finish. Now the American Senate, they don't decide say enough is enough. When diplomats they talk, it is slow but surely. It was slow, but surely. They will talk so. When I look at it disappear. When I say but these people will talk say they take our case for UN. They don't join the Republican and Democrat. They don't join for form a click where they will push La Republic to the negotiation table. When did it happen again? They be the quiet. They be the quiet. I want quote some instances for now. Una quite remember the first time when they interviewed Thibault Nagy. Thibault Nash, Thibault Nagy, all one name. Una remember the first time we talk. The first time we talk as this war starts. He said they must go to the root cause. He said they must go to the root cause. Even though the interview you get, he talk the very top. The American ambassador, he talk the same talk. That we need to start. La Republic beat around the bush, but now they talk that way it will end to the root cause of this problem, because the Senate, the American Senate, they don't talk say if they don't go to the root cause of the problem will ever be solved. And the root cause of the problem in 1961, how you come in? Now we mediate us. Now who bring us? We will be a trust territory under the UN. What will happen? They will talk ask you and say what will happen. The UN, they will ask you and say, but you to come in. What happened? Now you these people be under you. What will happen? What's the agreement? They were these two people they join. He said, I say case all day. No fire, no day. So and you must go to the root cause. So make no man or ambassador ever expect for to say some country say no, I want ambassador cessation, I want ambassador separation. They don't ever use that word. Diplomat, you remember saying a diplomat, the people they get sense. Now diplomat, they tell in a language way. Now only them. If you say La Republic door for the escape the root cause. If you say La Republic don't say that root cause, they don't talk and say like teachers and lawyers be strike. La Republic don't go negotiation table. If the root cause be I say now teachers and lawyers they be strike for good working condition and good this. La Republic will not go for the negotiation table. But La Republic know the meaning of the root cause of this problem. So the American Senate, they don't talk say UN security. The issue must go for UN Security Council. And with the UN to the dodge our case because UN the dodge La Republic because he know what to do. UN know say when the case come to the table, it be papa way, he say pikin will not take money. So now the good news that way we get that from America Senate. We just hope say they keep on pushing the distractors, La Republic, to the negotiating table. And it must come surely. It must come. Now, what me and you get to do for facilitate the coming? For facilitate La Republic. Now for keep on tough resistance. Tough resistance. Excuse me. La Republic don't say if they do this thing so Ground Zero fail. International body they don't get not to talk. International body they talk in respect to the resistance of Ground Zero. Because they give the report every day say ambassador be ungovernable. Now for Cambe Victoria Boya Kumba. Not that the whole ambassador. That straight not that the whole ambassador. All the sub of them. People in the they go for suburb, they can't tell the UN say if you go from Manfe, go reach right to villages. No man of the day. You come up for Kumbani, go right for Ekono Titi. No man of the day. You come up for Kumbani, go for Etam. Along that road, no man of the day. You come up for Boyani, go Kumba. For that stage of road, no man of the day. People ask, who said inhabitants a day? People don't stay for this side. So I mean La Republic not the fool when I say as the day Boya, the Wakame Nation Corp disease. We get for keep the resistance tough, and I want beg our people for Ground Zero and our restoration forces say now the time for we for collaborate with our civilians. Any man where the civilians, where you know ambassador, where you know Ground Zero, if you get anything, any small pinchy, small to if you contribute for the success of this revolution, my brother no fail. If you get any small way, you know, say you never Ground Zero, if you contribute small for success of the revolution, no fail we. I bet help. If you get a small intelligence, we give for our fighters. Give. If you fear,
Inbox we give the intelligence, it go help. Now the fight don't be a fight for collective because they fight the car end. They fight the car end. All we now give to embrace ourselves, they fight the car end. So we give to fight a collective fight, not only the fighters. Plenty war and they where people they win, not a fighter, they win the war. Civilians first of all move the mentality because only the mentality of get our hating and independence, La Republic will already win the war. Just that mentality where all the ambassadors of Ground Zero would get that we fight the independence, would already win the war 50%. Because La Republic not ever move that mentality, the mindset of the people again, not ever wipe. Now already war that way, we already defeat La Republic. So we give to unite ourselves with citizens. They give intelligence. They fight their own. You will decide. You fight. I mean civilians. You see Brassaris. Brassaris story. They say Brassaris Mimo. Not even if you get way for burn and find place you burn them. When you burn them, so you go stop the other store they around for say Brassaris. You know more wasting our fighters. More come up because maybe they don't come out town go inside bush or go find fighters. You for town, you do your own. You do your own. Then you go town, you do with camera, you do with spy. As I see any move where if he sell them, he help the revolution. Why do you hesitate? You see any move where if he sell me help the revolution, why do you hesitate? You like the civilians. Now when I walk that way, when I go for the do for push the war because the international body they already talk everything. The handwriting be written on the wall. Everything already be sealed. Now we will go finish the fufu. Now we go to Mr. Bia. Sorry. We go to Mr. Bia. When I see Mr. Bia now cry, he cry now for international country now for help La Republic. Yes. Now one of the factors in that way we get to see say with the windy war big time. Any man will be listening Bia's speech because I don't understand French, but I read now the English version for Bia's speech. If you read Bia's speech very well and very careful, Bia read that speech with tears in your eye. When I read that speech since when they born me, where as I hear President Paul Bia before I was born, Bia never ever read that kind of speech. That means that kind of speech. Bia talk, two talk, another two talk. He talk for coronavirus and security. Now all things I hold Bia's speech, coronavirus and security, 20 paragraph. But the body where you hold that speech, now security hold that speech. And he cry for security. He tell security. He tell the Republic, say, we don't grant the finish. Say, we don't give enough damage, more than enough damage. And that GDP gave a fall. And in the coming day, in the coming years, inflation, you call for the Republic. Now I tell you, say, we win the war big time. I will tell you, say, La Republic say 1,000 military don't run. He don't the recuna. He don't beyond authority. Say they will do expenditure. Say government expenditure not go for security. And we in a better way because security need to give back income. Security the thing I take. Beyond it authority. He say the level of destruction. It be uncountable. And then now if the best international body for intervene. Now then this way they be talk say when international body be talk say me they solve the issue. Then we talk say Cameroon is a sovereign state. They say Cameroon is a sovereign state. They arrest we. He say the best for international body mean they arrest we. Can't give them. So that they will solve the problem because they say now who the fuel the problem. Yes, we agree 100%. Western world, maybe cha country the way the Nigeria way, the visual lobby. As far as I they pay tax to the government, and he help the government with nothing, and they talk just, and the government too, before one come here, them two don't face war, blood the split, before they want fix the country. So one old man, when don't rule for chair, 40 years of chair, then they want to tell the government for years, they arrest a youth when they fight for the future. A youth when they fight for their future can give. I want to tell Ambassador people now say, now time this for 2021 for start reflect and we see say we win the war because Paul Biya in his speech he declared very well so say them don't lost. Yes, he declared very well say them don't lost because he said the destruction and he said the level of destruction and money he gave for go for security. So they spend a lot for security now because of it. Now sabotage, with the economic sabotage, we don't give them. Now no say serious need to operate. Lobby, you need to operate. Duty, you need to operate. Sonora, you need to operate. So all those things, so you give government enough. Nothing like that, you give government enough income. But now the government is spend more and get less. Very soon, they don't start paying civil servants. Now don't see because Cameroon no fit win the war, and they fight war for multiple fronts. Boko Haram day for north, the other one day for east. This we not time for we this, and they beg all Ambazonian citizens in the diaspora. Say not time for we this. You will be support this war. Not time for we this. For to say 2021, me will end this business. Me la Republic come to the negotiation table, kneeling down. Say he beg. Me la Republic sa beg. When I see that media prime, now they see la Republic, the media prime, and they talk call Ambassador anyhow. Call say they go to the Swiss initiative. Now Grand State to the top. Now Grand State to the top. That one say me they go for the Swiss initiative. Grand State don't only know about Swiss initiative. They already educate, they finish. They know say something there like Swiss mediation. They know say La Republic must go to the negotiation table. Now all of you saboteur the way they do with Facebook because even so La Republic don't really understand the game. Say they already lost the war. But we get a saboteur like Ambassador people don't take upon themselves. Say they will die till they see a freedom. But thank God say most of them they do these things, they hide their face. Because we see all their work them for sabotage the struggle, but we tell them say we don't really win this struggle big time, and we don't really go. We don't really win this struggle big time. So what we need a what we need a now to activate this war draft. Now why the way you will see sometime we know go clown. Activision no clown. And he talk again. Me they remind the chair people say we give us some time. We go start bring their archives. We will follow you up. We'll bring your profile for Ambassador people. Don't think say we will look at the activists. We never that level. You will pay the money. You will pay that money for Ground Zero. And at the same time, we no go clown. You know what that way? Yes, so fun child. You can talk say yes. You don't take the money. They do you wait? They do you wait here. He must pay the money catch. So we beg our civilians say, now time for we for look into the mirror. 2021. Say who shall go wrong? Our weakness and our strength for the revolution. Then we know the roadway will be taken. Because at the top again, the handwriting, they be written on the wall. We did in the victory site. If Paul Biya can give a 2-paragraph speech, one contain all the Ambazonian because other security will talk. He don't talk lengthy about Boko Haram. The rest he talk about Ambazonian. He know say we don't really choke the heart. We don't really destroy the heart. We don't really destroy the heart. Yaoundé the bleed. Yaoundé the bleed. Any man will say Yaoundé the bleed. When I see everything, they don't make any author they do an Natalonash. Natalaku they do but they bleed. Only the government. And then the government, we know say they bleed. But Biaka cry. I don't cry with international body, say they help them to bring the diaspora the way they do that in them. They don't say lobby firm them plenty for America. They don't do it. So I think say in that light, so another topic there. Okay, now I will play some this video. We just see why we will celebrate 1st of January. La Republic, their own independent day, they don't celebrate them. The day out now for key Ambazonian citizens. La civil and the Liwe, La Republic, the killer. Civil and the Liwe, they cry. Well, La Republic killer on the 1st of January 2021. When I see on Independence Day, they kill our civilians. Okay, this incident happened for whom? And we get information say these guys then never ever be fighters. Now just youth for quarter. We hear say of queen one and queen for be die. So for that die, you know say intelligence reach for La Republic say our restoration force is over there for that die because they say it been a big die. So when La Republic they come, these guys they just stand on the road. They come onto Okada. Just fire this guy, them almost them 3. They kill them 3 at the spot. Now the womb this way, we get information say the mayor of a womb. They don't come preach with people say peace there for womb. All team they normal for womb. I want to ask the people of womb say now una be happy. As una be declare say peace there for womb, mayor come say peace there for womb. Now the peace this way on the 1st of January 2021. Some man sleep, he see the next day. But he no sleep for see how the day finish. When I see how La Republic the key our youth them every day. Some man sleep, he see 2021. But he no win the 2021 make it finish. And then some group of people they can't tell we say this is our war. That will not thing. Fellow Ambazonians, fellow citizens, I blame the youth when they kill them. If we are here for we not going to gather. The youth them for Ambazonian is a target. The youth them for Ambazonian, any youth they kill you, where they occasion, where they was on place, I blame you. We not be the target for military. You give to be very careful. We not going to be very careful. Any man for the revolution or any man for Ambazonian. For Ground Zero, you are a target. If you don't fight the war, they will kill you. You fight the war, you will be safe. When I ask questions, say, now how many restoration fighters? When I don't say they die now again. A part of that one, the way you see the go make error, you come on, you be fighter, you go drink a bar. Where you be a target. I know say you get black leg. Now that one they will see where it mostly happen. La Republic they know, and they don't fit go for the camp. They know before they want to go, our forces they know what you will do. But you where you take up yourself, you be youth. If you be youth, where you never contribute, even though they work, you know what to say me, you don't be with town. So when you do it, then you work a daily job for town. But if you do for town, you be very careful because you be a target. You like you join the struggle, you don't like you join the struggle, you already there inside the struggle. Now the word they want to give you them for Ambazonian. You like you join the struggle. You don't like you join the struggle. You already did inside the struggle. They know you like a fighters. La Republic know you like fighter. Very soon, we will see very soon they will start attacking ministers. Very soon they will start attack governor ministers. When Southern Cameroon as way. When they will start thinking that them, they sponsor the war indirectly. But when that man give 5 francs, now don't you watch. Now they keep watching the game they play. When they don't try that ball, he finish. You know, no when they will start attack ministers. You will say here for the now the ministers. Now the one is sponsor this, now the one is do this, now the one is do this. Now the tiger the game the end. So fellow ambassadors, fellow citizens, once more a good evening. As they show the end, any man go redeem, he finish the draft. Ask LGHS for action for Ground Zero. Then 2020 Nation Cup. That one, some person tell me say, they go put a list outside the way, they will support because all county they will support FACO towards stopping that Nation Cup. And we still want our population say any man stay away from that Nation Cup. Where do you go see him during that period? We never ever win this for ambassador. Where do you go see him during the period of that Nation Cup? We never see him. So the people there for collect or they say they are cash up and wait, you go out because the platform be platform for money. While they use na water, or they will use their platform, their this thing. But anytime they get, I go pay for my war for donation. Anybody like for support FACO County for end the Nation Cup, then it will be a very grateful thing because now one of the last probably hope that we they try now for console themselves. Say if they succeed that Nation Cup, they will tell international body say things will be normal. When I give it some time again, we'll just finish another people the way they make noise. So we therefore be very careful and we know the way we work towards our resolution forces. So in this light, I will end the show for here by wishing everybody once more again Happy New Year.